Today I am going to give a brief introduction about our environment and sustainable development. Let me start with environment. In biology and ecology, environment includes all the natural materials and living things including sunlight. The word environment originated from a French word environner, which means to encircle or to surround. In other words, it means anything outside an organism in which the organism lives and with which it interacts in various ways. Thus, the term environment is defined as the circumstances or conditions by which one is surrounded. Environment is classified into two major groups. They are physical or natural environment and human environment. Under the category physical or natural environment, we have land, air, water, plants and animals. And under human environment, we have cultural, social, economic and political aspects. The next comes the components of environment. Our environment is divided into four major components. They are atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. Let me give a brief talk about each components of our environment. The atmosphere. It is the envelope surrounding our entire earth. As we know, air comprises of 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen and 0.03% of carbon dioxide. The atmosphere also has various gases and water vapor present in it. The atmosphere is divided into various layers like troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Troposphere. It is the lowest layer of the Earth's atmosphere. It makes up about 80% of the Earth's atmosphere. Then comes the stratosphere, which is situated just above the troposphere. This is the layer where the ozone layer is present. Without the ozone layer, we cannot imagine a life present on our planet Earth. Then comes the mesosphere, which is present just above the stratosphere. It starts at about 31 miles from the Earth's surface and goes to 53 kilometers. And this is the layer where the meteorites burn up. And then comes the thermosphere, which is situated just above the mesosphere. And the final topmost layer is the exosphere, and it goes for thousands of miles ahead from the Earth's crust. Having discussed about the layers of atmosphere, let me switch over to the next component, hydrosphere. Our Earth, as we know, is surrounded completely by water. Hydrosphere includes all oceans, lakes, seas, rivers, and it covers 71% of the Earth's surface. The next component is the lithosphere. It is the solid shell of the planet Earth. This includes crust, the Earth's crust, and some part of the upper mantle. And the last component in our environment is the biosphere. This is a very unique component, and it is one of the four layers that surrounds our planet Earth. Biosphere is the total sum of all the other ecosystems. Let me move on to the next topic, sustainable development. As per the global scale, scientific data reveals that the humans are living beyond the carrying capacity of our planet Earth. This cannot continue indefinitely. Hence, the concept of sustainable development came into existence. According to World Commission on Environment and Development, sustainable development is defined as the development that meets the needs of the future generations without compromising the needs of the present generations. The sustainable development is described in terms of three dimensions. They are social, economical and environmental. They are also called as the pillars of sustainability. There are a set of 17 goals framed as sustainable development goals. To name few, we have zero hunger, no poverty, clean water, clean sanitation, smart and sustainable cities, clean energy, quality education and so on. The primary goal is to transform our entire world by 2030 into a better living place without depleting our natural resources. Hence, it is high time for each one of us to conserve our environment and utilize our natural resources in a more sustainable fashion. Thank you for your kind attention.